guys, today finally on the Relegance channel I can do the garbage truck from the Lego movie in Lego, and finally I have time. Because I needed to make more videos, so I made Bean Boozled channel, so go check that one out. But let's get started. So this is it says it has a lot of stickers. The first one says Octon Rubbish. Then we got a Repeat 7085, and then a G349. That's on the other side too. On the back, we have two of this. Look at that. Quotation because stops frequently, and we got a lot of recycle, and recycle, and we have, of course, the most amazing part. You can open it with this thing. You can open it, close it, so you can open it and put a lot of trash in there. You can move that, you can remove that, but it's kind of hard to put back. Oh, how I just did. I'm going to try to put it very easy. Yeah, it's not that hard though, because first it was hard, but then. So yeah, we have the minifigures. We have the driver dude. We have the guy that helps to pick up the garbage. And for last, we got a chef saying like, "Mamma mia, the pizza is on the oven." Yeah, we got those too. I really like, my favorite character is the chef. It's because he's so like, "Mamma mia," with his mustache. I like his mustache. Let me take that thing down. Let me show you that thing. Concentrate. There's like the mustache. Look at that. That's very cool. So I think that's it for this video. Yeah. And yeah, that was a very cool truck. I really like it. Well, before we say goodbye, look, we have in here the driver, where you can take this kid off for the driver to get in it. So bye guys, thumbs up, thumbs below, and chef, subscribe. Bye. Bye you guys, thumbs up, thumbs below, subscribe. Bye.